Tired of typing every lead into Salesforce one by one? Upload a CSV and import hundreds in minutes. Here's exactly how. We'll start by opening the Data Import wizard. Then select your file and map the fields. Let's go step by step. All right, first thing you're going to do is look up at the top right corner of your Salesforce screen. See that little gear icon? That's the Quick Settings menu. Go ahead and click that. Now, a drop-down menu will appear. You want to click on the option that says Open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the back end of Salesforce, where the real power tools live. Once that Advanced Setup page loads, you'll see a search box at the top. It's usually labeled Quick Find, or just has a little magnifying glass. Type in Data Import Wizard. All lowercase is fine. As you type, Salesforce will start filtering the options below. You'll see Data Import Wizard show up in the filtered results. Click on that. The wizard page will open up. Right in the middle, you'll see a big button that says Import My Data. Click that to get started. Now the import process begins. You'll see a blue Start button. Click it. This is where we actually kick off the workflow. A new window pops up with your import options. First, it asks you what kind of data you're bringing in. For this example, let's say you're importing leads, so click on Leads. Double-check that you've got the right object selected, then click Next. Now, it wants to know where your data is coming from. We're bringing in leads from another system, so select Other Companies. That covers most external sources. Click Next again. Here's where you tell Salesforce what type of file you have. Select the radio button that says, I have a .csv file. CSV files are the standard for this kind of thing, and they work perfectly with Salesforce. Click Next. You'll see a button labeled Upload Files. Click that. Your computer's file browser will open up. Navigate to wherever you saved your CSV file, select it, and click Open or Choose. Give it a second to upload. It usually takes just a moment, depending on the file size. Once it's done, click Next. And here's the really important part, field mapping. This is where you match the columns in your CSV to the Salesforce fields. So if your CSV has a column called First Name, you'll map it to the Salesforce First Name field. If it says Phone, you map it to Phone. Salesforce tries to auto-match things, but always double-check. A mismatch here can cause data to land in the wrong place or just not import at all. Take your time and make sure everything lines up. Once your fields are mapped, you'll see a summary screen. This is your last chance to review everything before it goes live. Check the total number of records you're about to import. Look for any warnings or errors in yellow or red. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Import. Now, Salesforce will process your file. You'll be taken to a status screen where you can monitor the import. It might show in progress for a moment, but for larger files, it could take a little longer. Once it's done, you'll see how many records imported successfully and if any had errors. If there are errors, you can download a report to see exactly which rows failed and why. And that's it. You just went from manually typing out each lead to importing hundreds of them in just a few minutes. Your data is in Salesforce, fields are mapped correctly, and you've saved yourself a ton of time. Next time you have a list of leads or contacts, you'll know exactly what to do.